Read time under 4 minutes. Hey there, Shinky here, making AI simple, useful, and powerful for you. Apple, Google, OpenAI, Alphabet, same wave, different surfboards. Apple's doubling down on AI-powered hardware finesse. Google's deep in the model game. OpenAI quietly becoming the dark horse with skyrocketing value. The AI gold rush isn't just about speed, it's about strategy. And in this race, the best pickaxe wins. Master AI smarter, not harder. Grab your free AI course now. Today's AI menu Google defends, startups gain, discovery gets redefined. Tutorial, how to use Tome AI for AI-powered presentations. 5 new AI tools to boost your productivity. AI Special Edition, the search reset has begun. AI Daily Prompt today, in world of AI Microsoft and OpenAI. Redrawing the power map of AI image credits. Justin Sullivan, Getty Images. In the AI arms race, even the closest allies eventually redraw the battle lines. Microsoft and OpenAI are reportedly in talks to renegotiate their multi-billion-dollar partnership, and it's about far more than just dollars. As OpenAI's enterprise ambitions surge and its tech maturity deepens, Microsoft might be feeling the need to recalibrate its strategic leverage in the relationship. For years, Microsoft has provided infrastructure, integration, and massive capital, but OpenAI is no longer just the engine under the hood. With ChatGPT's runaway adoption and enterprise API momentum, OpenAI has become a brand in its own right, serving businesses directly, not just through Azure. What's at stake? Everything from model exclusivity rights to data access, revenue share, and long-term AI deployment control. This isn't just a contract revision, it's potentially the beginning of an AI custody battle over influence, market positioning, and who gets to shape the next decade of intelligence at scale. Key questions: will Microsoft push for deeper integration or a tighter leash? Can OpenAI remain open while building a moat? And what does this mean for startups building on top of both? The next frontier of AI isn't just about breakthroughs, it's about boardrooms, balance sheets, and bargaining power. The AI Institute. How to use Tome AI for AI-powered presentations. Sign up at tome.app, click Create a new Tome. Enter your topic or prompt. Tome generates a presentation with text plus visuals. Edit and present or export fact-based news without bias awaits. Make 1440 your choice today. Overwhelmed by biased news? Cut through the clutter and get straight facts with your daily 1440 digest. From politics to sports, join millions who start their day informed. Sign up now. Food for productivity. 5 tools for your productivity. Ferret, AI that helps you research people and companies for smarter networking and risk analysis. Gene AI research assistant that summarizes long articles and extracts key insights. Cradle, AI tool for biology and genetic engineering to predict effects of DNA mutations. Levity, automate workflows by training AI models to handle repetitive tasks like email sorting or document tagging. Cleanup.pictures, AI photo editing tool that removes unwanted objects from images instantly. For more tools, click here. Everything else you need to know. Revolution, Zencoder just dropped a game-changer Zen Agents. AI teammates designed to code, debug, and collaborate like real engineers. Think GitHub Copilot, but with squad goals. Buildify. This new AI turns your ideas into real Lego sets. The experimental AI model now lets users describe a creation in plain English and get a buildable Lego model in return. A dragon-shaped spaceship? No problem. It's like Mid-Journey for brick fanatics, and it could redefine hands-on creativity for kids and makers alike. Ridian, biking with Meta Ray-Bans. Almost joy, almost genius. Meta's smart glasses nail form and voice AI, but navigation is still a work in progress. It's like having a distracted co-pilot with perfect Spotify taste. Underdog, forget NVIDIA and Microsoft. One unexpected player is quietly winning the AI game, and Wall Street's taking notice. With patents, partnerships, and momentum on its side, this under-the-radar contender might just be your next portfolio darling. AI Special Edition. The Google Antitrust Trial, a tectonic shift in search. Shakeup. Even before the final verdict drops, the Google Antitrust Trial is already reshaping the internet's front-page search. For years, rivals struggled to earn visibility. Now, alternative search engines are finally getting shelf space, and platforms are rethinking what it means to rank, recommend, and reveal. This isn't just about one company's dominance, it's about a fundamental reset of how digital discovery works. The ripple effect? Startups, publishers, and consumers are reimagining search itself. More diversity, more transparency, and possibly more innovation. As the courtroom debates continue, one thing is clear. The era of default dominance is ending. The new search battleground will be about trust, nuance, and user-first design. AI prompt of the day. Prompt for writing an intro for a motivational podcast episode? Helpful? Check out our best AI prompts. Thanks for reading. Until tomorrow, Shinky and the Hanuman AI team. Start learning AI in 2025. Keeping up with AI is hard. We get it. That's why over 1M professionals read Superhuman AI to stay ahead. Get daily AI news, tools, and tutorials. Learn new AI skills you can use at work in 3 minutes a day. Become 10x more productive. Sign up and start mastering AI